Hi all, welcome back to a new episode of this Arduino series. So today I'm back with a new device, new project, new video, and in here we have a new temperature sensor. This is a waterproof temperature sensor and known as DS18B20. So we are going to try how it is working. So let's get started. So these are all the components that we are going to use in our project. First of all, a base, that is a breadboard I have here, and a microcontroller. Here I have used Node MCU because in the near future, the videos I am going to make, there we need this ESP module. But instead of this one also, you can try Arduino Nano, Uno, or whatever microcontroller you want. Then we have this DS18B20 temperature sensor module. This is similar to LM35, but this one is actually waterproof. So this is a different kind of thing. And we need this 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. So when I was applying all the devices on this breadboard, it was looking very messy. That's why I have created this small section cut out of a PCB. So you can also try like this, or if you are getting confused about the circuit, then the circuit diagram is right here below in the description. You can check out that. And now let me connect it here, simply just like this. Now done. Let's upload the code to this one. So now let's open up the Arduino IDE, and here I am going to paste the code, and you can find the link for the code in the description below to check out that. So these are the two libraries that we are going to download for this temperature sensor. So go to library manager and search for the first one, that is one wire. Install this one. Always install the latest version. So install this one. After that, go for the second one and install this temperature sensor as well. So all these libraries are successfully installed. Now we need to upload the code to our microcontroller. So go to this port section, and here you can see I have already selected Node MCU. Now I have to select the COM port. So I'm checking it actually. So here I don't know which COM port is connected to Node MCU. So let's choose the board as Node MCU 12E module, and let's say COM9. Now click on OK. Now click on upload the code. So code will be uploaded. First of all, it is compiling. Meanwhile, let's understand the code. So first of all, here are the libraries. After that, we have defined the D2 pin, GPIO 2 pin as the input pin. Then these are some credentials for the one wire library, and after that we have connected the temperature sensor. So in the void setup part, we have a serial begin of 9600, and these are some values, the parameters that we need to write. And in this void loop section, these are the lines for the reading of the temperature data, and this will serial print the data in our serial monitor. So that's how it will work, and we have added a delay of 1 second only. So the code is uploading, and as you can see right here, the code is still uploading. Okay, now done uploading. Now let's go and open up our serial monitor, and here you can see not connected. How is that possible? It is already connected. Okay, done. So 9600 baud rate is selected, and here you can see the temperature value as 29.56, 29.63. Just now like this, it keeps changing the value in every 1 second. And as I said previously, it is one waterproof sensor. So let's test it with the water. Well, this is my hydroponics module, and if you have not seen the video, you can check out the link in the description. And let me collect some water from here. There we get some water, and here you can see all the greens are growing very nicely. So here is some amount of water, and as I said, this is going to be waterproof. So we can, by adding this temperature probe in the water, we can see what is the temperature of the water on the screen. And as you can see in the serial monitor, the temperature was more than 30 degree, but after we put it in the water, you can see the temperature is reducing. So that was a short tutorial about this particular temperature sensor. If you liked it, let me know in the comment section, and we are going to use it in some other project. And if you don't want to miss the notification, then do subscribe the channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one. Till then, be cool, work smart.